Hello, happy mail time. I know you're excited. I'm excited. So I've waited for this since, I think, January. And this is going to be a little tiny haul. This is from Vixen. Vixen, I am sorry to say, is going out of business. So I had a little bit of a shop with them because I knew I wasn't going to get anything more from Vixen. To be honest, I thought Vixen was going to be with me for life. I am devastated. It is terrible. Okay, so this is the cozy cardigan in black. Comes with a belt tie. All right, so we have a little bit of a long fit here. So I don't know if this is technically accurate, but it feels accurate to me. I would say that these items are very similar to a punty fabric. They're very soft, they're stretchy. They are designed specifically for people that have fabric sensory issues, which is definitely me. And I love this. This is great. Just so you can see, it comes down to like just above my knee. Nice little belt. Adorable. Okay, that is an absolute win. I was very nervous about buying this collection because I had never had any of her cozy collection items that she had released in the past. But this is a great fabric. I sprung for the entire line, but only some of it is coming today. This is the cozy wiggle jumper. If you've been here before, you know I love a wiggle dress, but that I always have to have them altered because my hips are very narrow. And I can already see that this will indeed have to be altered. So, as a jumper dress, it's under the bust, comes up higher and back. It has a kick pleat and is meant to be tight through the body. I'm going to have it altered because I have very narrow hips. If you haven't been here before, I complain about them all the time. My hips are tiny. But that's going to be a great staple, and because it's a pull-on, it is so easy to look put together, and that is very important to me. These are the cozy lounge pants. Oh, okay. So I don't know really why they call them lounge pants. There is a zipper, and it is in back. There are side pockets, and these are, I would consider, a wide leg trouser, kind of more like a palazzo pants. And I believe I got these in small, so those will be great. Super good for those days where I am working hard at the tattoo studio and need to look professional. It's very important to me that I maintain a certain standard of fashion. So I've recently lost 85 pounds. If you've been here before, you know that I'm rebuilding my wardrobe. And I promised myself if I lost the weight, I was going to dress the way I wanted. And so I am replacing my old wardrobe with a new wardrobe. Okay, this is the cozy wiggle dress in black. So it's very similar to the jumper. It has elastic in the waist all the way around, short sleeves, a cap sleeve, a pretty nice scoop neck. Hopefully you can see that. And it does have a kick pleat in back. And this will 100% need to be altered for me to wear it. Otherwise, it's not going to be a wiggle dress for me personally. It's going to be just a sheath dress, which I could, once I try it on, I will make that decision whether I feel like, hey, I've got to alter this. Obviously, every time you alter a garment, it's costly. So typically when I am taking dresses that are wiggle dresses that are not quite near enough to fit my hips to make it an actual wiggle, a tight fitting dress. That alteration can be anywhere from $40 to $80 per garment. So I do always have that in mind when I buy wiggles, that this off the rack is not going to work for me. I'm going to have it tailored. A good tailor, a good seamstress is invaluable. Definitely make friends if you are not a standard size like I am. Bye, Ghoulie Pop.